Hi everyone, Jeff Villeneuve here. I'd like to introduce you to the Pickering City Centre, the most affordable condos in the GTA. Pickering City Centre is a 55-acre master plan community in the heart of Pickering, making it a prime location for a perfect downtown that is both vibrant and walkable. Before buying or investing in any pre-construction condo project, there are some key things you should be aware of. The number one thing you should be aware of is the developer. Why is this important? Well, first you want to make sure that your investment is going to be built by a quality builder with a proven track record. But also you want to make sure that the builder is going to complete the project. More and more often we hear about builders canceling projects. That not only holds up your funds, but it also may have prevented you from investing in another project or opportunity. Knowing your builder is a reputable one is extremely important. CentreCorp is one of the most active developers in the GTA. They bring on average 2 to 3 condo projects per year, whereas their competitors only bring approximately 40% of that in the same amount of time. In the last 13 years, CentreCorp has launched and successfully sold 20 condo towers. That's close to 11,000 units. They've also had 0 canceled projects in their track record. Another great thing about CentreCorp, they have a 0-day interim occupancy, meaning that you go straight to the final closing. This allows you, the investor, to turn your properties over in the rental or resale market quick. It also allows you to start paying off your mortgage immediately. Interim occupancies can cost you thousands. With CentreCorp projects, you aren't throwing your money away on these fees. CentreCorp has the ability and willingness to sell and start construction in the same market cycle. When a developer doesn't do this in the same cycle, they are exposed to huge risk. When you hear about projects canceling, it's most likely because the developer miscalculated the cost and the revenue due to sliding into a new market cycle, where there can be drastic cost differences. Of the 20 condos they have brought to market, they reached the 70% target in an average of only 16 days. Only when a developer reaches that 70 to 75% can they approach the bank for their construction financing. CentreCorp likes to sell fast and get the construction started so they can move on to the next project and not get caught up in changing market cycles. They're a great builder. The number 2 thing you should be aware of when buying or investing in pre-construction is the economic viability of what is being built and if there's market demand. Let me tell you, there's a severe condo shortage in the Durham area. Durham is the second fastest growing submarket in the GTA. When you look at all the other submarkets across the GTA, there are approximately 418,000 condo units already completed in the GTA. However, only 2% of that is in the Durham region. What this means is that the Durham market is completely dominated with low-rise homes. Now, when you look at the pre-construction market, we can see what's coming online. There were 170,000 new condo suites launched in the last 7 years, and only 4% of those came to the Durham area, even though Durham region makes up over 35% of the land mass compared to the other region. Durham definitely has a demand for condos. We just don't have the supply. Not to mention the Durham region is in need of more affordable housing options. With the higher price of low rise and the lack of condos in the Durham area, it's very difficult, if not impossible, for many people, including first-time buyers, to enter the real estate market. Pre-construction condos allow for a more affordable and obtainable option. You get lower prices compared to low rise, and you typically get extended deposits and longer closings. The Pickering City Centre is making it easier for people to buy or invest in real estate, and you don't have to take on a mortgage for about 3 to 5 years. Not to mention the equity you'll earn while waiting for your unit to be built, again without having to pay a mortgage. Another great point is Pickering needs to keep up with the rapid population growth. Currently, Pickering has a population of approximately 100,000 people. However, they're expecting the population to grow by 50%, 50, over the next 15 years. That's a massive increase. There is a huge economic viability here in Pickering. The third thing you should be looking at when buying or investing pre-construction is the location. You want to live in this new Pickering. Driven by the region's most ambitious growth targets, this 55-acre community is set to redefine the term Masterplan, making the Pickering City Centre the most sought-after region in not only Durham, but possibly the GTA alike. Located just east of Liverpool, south of Kingston, north of the 401, and west of Glenanna, the Pickering City Centre is nestled just 35 minutes east of downtown Toronto. Its location offers seamless transit connectivity with direct connections to the Pickering GO station, immediate access to the 401, plus the future development of the Durham-Scarborough BRT. Masterplan Community is a term loosely thrown around, especially in pre-construction. The advantage here at the Pickering City Centre compared to other well-known masterplan communities, there's already infrastructure in place from day one. They're not building a brand new masterplan community from the ground up. All the key infrastructure is already in place. They already have high-order transit. There's already an on-site shopping mall, a massive 700 square square foot mall with 180 shops, and it's here to stay. In fact, the mall will act as an anchor for this entire community. The plan is to completely revitalize the mall, and that, along with more density, will start to attract higher end brands, making Pickering a shopping destination for all of Durham and abroad. There are already many existing restaurants and entertainment on site. Just 5 minutes to the south, you have the thrilling entertainment of Durham Live and Pickering Casino. Everything you need is already in place at the Pickering City Centre. Embrace a vibrant community where everything is easily within reach. Transit connectivity, health and fitness, quality employment, great dining options, and plenty of shopping. All the while being surrounded by nature and beautiful waterfront and recreational space, making Pickering City Centre an extraordinary location to call home. The fourth thing you should be aware of before buying or investing in pre-construction is if there's transit and connectivity. The reason it's important to look at transit is we know in real estate, any property close to a transit node will see higher price appreciation. Pickering City Centre already has the GO train access on site. It's just 35 minutes to downtown Toronto, 6 stops to Union Station, and what is most exciting is the upcoming new Durham-Scarborough Rapid Transit. It'll run 36 kilometers along Kingston Road from downtown Oshawa all the way to the Scarborough Town Centre, similar to what you see in York, Vaughan, and Peel. This new rapid transit line will go by places like the University of Toronto Scarborough campus and Centennial College, opening up a huge rental pool of students that keeps regenerating year after year. The other great thing about being so transit oriented and connected is when you start to expand access to transit and highways, not only allows residents to enter and access surrounding communities, but it starts to spark new economic activity, attracting more jobs, more commercial businesses, and more retail businesses, etc. The number 5 thing you should know is about the building, amenities, and suite. Phase 1 will be broken down into 3 blocks just east of the Pickering Mall, adding approximately 6,000 new residents in Phase 1 alone. That, plus the new mall revitalizations, means that an investor buying in blocks 1, 2, or 3 will benefit the most as the area continues to develop. Phase 2 is mostly south and west of the mall, with the expectations of a new luxury hotel coming on the east side. Phase 2 will introduce more community spaces, a new central park, more commercial, more retail, and more residential suite, possibly another 10 plus towers. The amenities are just what you would expect from such an ambitious community, or possibly even better. You'll be able to elevate your lifestyle with unparalleled amenities, achieve wellness and vitality at the 22,000 square foot fitness center, unwind at the rooftop infinity pool, or take advantage of the virtual healthcare from the renowned Cleveland Clinic. There will be a diverse range of indoor and outdoor amenities, bringing fun and convenience for everyone. There'll be a grand 2-story lobby with high-end finishes and designer furniture, lounges, play spaces for kids, pet zones, and the like. There'll be approximately 120,000 of indoor and outdoor spaces. The suites are beautifully designed and appointed. They will not disappoint. This key plate represents about 90% of the plans. 1 bed's centrally located with 5 elevators. We then move on to the 1+ dens, and then the 2 bedrooms, which will be on the corners with 2 balconies. The number 6 thing you want to know is about the price and how it compares to the competition. Center Court made a very bold statement with respect to Pickering City Centre: the most affordable condos in the GTA. This wasn't just a willy-nilly statement to toss out as a buzz phrase. They looked at both current pre-con projects and the resale in the area. There's 2 projects that have been actively selling in the area for a while now. Usually when you see a new project come along, like the Pickering City Centre, they would be priced higher than the ones existing. However, not in this. Comparable one has an average square foot of $1,185. Comparable 2 has an average price per square foot of $1,170. Pickering City Centre's average price per square foot is only $1,050. This launch is expected to be a blowout. They didn't just stop there. They then compared their pricing to resale. Typically, pre-construction is significantly higher than resale due to future value and increasing building costs. However, based on the resale condo value, you can see the Pickering City Centre is basically on par. However, the Pickering City Centre doesn't begin to close until 2028. Can you imagine the value of your unit then? Not to mention, in 2028, your Pickering City Centre unit will be brand new, while the resale units are just getting older and showing their age, both in the building and in the suites. With over 10 mixed-use towers supported by a proven and reputable developer and highly efficient suites, this will be the most affordable condos in the GTA. Don't miss your chance to be part of downtown Pickering's transformation and invest on the ground floor today. Pickering City Centre will become a one-stop destination destination catering to singles, couples, families, retirees, all here in the East End. Getting in early allows for greater appreciation. This first phase is over 10 towers. You want to get in early, not to mention phase 2 with its potential of another 10 plus towers. You want into this community. For floor plans, pricing, and to gain VIP access, contact me today or click the link below.